Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 2, the 5th lesson, using the HLOOKUP function. So with the gradebook workbook open, so you see we have the gradebook workbook open up here. Select cell I5, which is right here. This worksheet shows the history class grades for 4 Riverdale High School students, as well as a table in cells L3 to P4 that shows the correlation between numeric scores and letter grades. You see that right over here. Notice that the scores in the table are sorted in ascending order from left to right. This is required for the lookup function to work properly. You're going to enter a formula that will look up and display the final letter grade for the term in column 1. So in cell I5, which is where we are, we're going to enter this formula. Text with the final numeric grade being used as a lookup value. It's important to omit the range lookup argument so that the function will find an appropriate match in the letter grade table 1. Copy the formula in I5, Control C, to cells I6 to I8. So I'm going to drag down here and right click, or I'm just going to do Control V. So your worksheet should now look like this. You can see that it gave a letter grade based on, and what that formula was basing it on, H5, L3, H5, and L3. So it looked between those two things, and that's where you got that grade. So let's mark that as answered. Submit results. There you go. This completes using the HLOOKUP function.